I'm going to show you guys a little bit about saving your original stickers on your car. If for some reason you happen to get a van or a bug and it still has the original sticker, something that's kind of neat to keep those. So sometimes if you mask over it, so like right now if I just masked over that even with like say blue tape, or I used that real light stick blue tape, it might peel off some of the letters. Or you might, peel the whole sticker. When they're this old, more than likely it's going to do one of those things. So what I'll do is I'll take some Scotch-Brite really carefully. I'm just going to Scotch-Brite around this out just a little bit. And I'm going to preserve this sticker. So I'm going to Scotch-Brite around it all the way, just out just a little bit like that. I'll bring you guys back in a second. I'll Scotch-Brite around by hand. It takes two hands right now. Then what I'm going to do is just tack rag the surface. Now I'm going to do this. I think I'm just going to do this without my respirator on, just so I can talk while I'm doing it. Because I'm going to put what I call a micro coat of clear on here. Normally I'll have my respirator on, so I can't really talk while I'm doing this. But just this little tiny bit of area, it's not enough to where it's going to do permanent damage to your lungs or something like that. Just to do a very small area. It's prolonged use is what's the issue with that. So I've mixed up some clear, just a little bit. I actually have some to do some other things, but I thought while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and do this, and it's still going to have that patina to the sticker, so it's still going to be there. That was there before, but I don't want to wipe over the sticker. If I do, I'll probably lose the thing, so I want to keep it there. For this, I'm going to shoot a practice fan because I want to know how much is coming out. There we go. That's what I want. Really small fan. I'm about a quarter turn out on the fan. And what I'm going to do is just shoot a micro coat of clear over it. I'm actually just not pulling the trigger all the way. And then that'll do it. We'll just leave it there. Aging it a little bit. We'll see how it dries. It should still be there, but it's gonna, like I said, it's still gonna leave the sticker patina. And just a micro coat of clear over it. So I did get a little bit carried away with the clear. I actually was supposed to shoot a really light coat, but when I'm using my hands, talking on the phone, and shooting a video at the same time, I tend to make some mistakes that I normally wouldn't make. But anyway, I've got a really fine coat of clear over here. I actually shot below it a little bit and pushed the run down. But what I did is I just took some tape and just put tape over the run and just pull it back off. That's what you do if you have a problem when you're painting. Happens a lot. Everybody gets them. And so what now is that it has that clear on there. When that dries, it'll enable me to tape over it, and normally it doesn't work every time, but I can let me to tape over it. And what I'll do is when I pull my tape off, it won't pull the sticker all apart. It shouldn't. It should kind of hold it together so that when I go to pull my tape off, and I'll still use like that blue light stick tape. If you've ever seen that one, at the paint store, they have those at like regular like household paint places. And I'll put some of that over it carefully, and then when I peel it off, it should peel. It should, use the clear as like a top coat over it, and it'll peel off without pulling the sticker off, without tearing the sticker to pieces. So that's how you preserve them. It doesn't always work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm going to try it on this, and we'll see how it looks later. So talk to you guys on another video about this, and we'll see how that worked out.